In the shadow of a powerful tyrant, two brothers were chosen by Allah to stand for truth. One carried the staff of miracles, the other carried the strength of words. This is the inspiring story of Hazrat Harun al-Islam, the loyal brother and noble prophet of Allah.
Hazrat
Harun
Harun was the elder
was
brother
the
of
elder
Hazrat Musa
brother of
a.s.
Hazrat Musa
and a
al-Islam
respected
and
man among
respected
Bani
man
Israel.
among Bani Israel. Allah blessed him with wisdom, patience, and powerful speech. When Musa was chosen for the mission against Pharaoh, he prayed his brother Harun would support him. Musa al-Salam left the weight of the great mission before him. He prayed to Allah, appoint for me a helper for my family, Harun my brother. Allah accepted the prayer and made Harun al-Islam a prophet and partner in the mission.
Together,
Together,
Musa
Musa
and
and
Harun went to
Harun
the
went to
palace
the
of Pharaoh.
palace of Pharaoh. They delivered the message clearly,
Worship Allah alone and free
and
Bani
free Bani
Israel.
Israel. But Pharaoh rejected the truth
I
and
reject your
accused
claims.
them
This is
of
sorcery,
sorcery.
We speak the truth.
lies, and deception.
Allah gave Musa al-Islam miracles and Harun al-Salam stood beside him with courage. Before Pharaoh's magicians, the staff turned into a powerful serpent. When the magicians witnessed the truth, they believed in the Lord of Musa and Harun.
During his
After
absence,
Pharaoh's
a man named
destruction, Musa
Samiri
al-Islam
misled
went
the
to
people
Mount
and
Tur to
created
receive
a golden calf
revelation.
idol.
During his absence, a man named Simri misled the people and created a gold calf idol. Harun al-Islam warned the people and tried to stop them from worshipping it. Harun al-Islam reminded the people, "Your Lord is the most merciful, so follow me." But many people ignored him and followed the false idol. Harun al-Salam remained patient, fearing that wars might divide Bani Israel further. When
When you
Musa
were away, I
al-Salam
tried to guide
returned,
them, but
Harun
they were led
explained
astray.
how he
I
had
see.
tried to
We
guide
will
the
set them
people.
right again.
Allah honored Harun as a noble prophet who supported truth with patience and wisdom. His story teaches us that loyal patience and standing with truth are among the greatest acts of faith.